Hi everyone, in front of me I've got myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security. Then let's tap on more security settings and enter encryption and credentials. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on clear credentials and tap on OK. We will have to confirm it with our screen lock, and as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.